On behalf of the Finger Lakes Region SCCA, we would like to offer some tips for beginners competing in their first road rally. Make sure before the race starts your vehicle is in top shape. Resolve any issues, top off any fluids, and make sure you gas up. It may be helpful to have some tools handy in case something goes wrong during the rally. The navigator should be with a handful of their own materials. They should have a clipboard and some paper, pens or pencils, and a flashlight if the rally is going to take place during night. The driver is tasked with driving the car. While they won't need materials per se, they should be ready for the challenge before them, and prepped to drive in any hazardous conditions. It's important to make sure that you and your partner are in perfect sync. You two are in this together, so make sure you work as a team. Lastly, a road rally is a race against yourself. Your team is working to be as efficient as possible in completing the course. Keep that in mind while on the road, and be sure to have fun.